Welcome, here I've got Nokia XR20 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner button so we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's focus on general category. At the second position we have grid option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn on and turn off the camera grid lines as we need. Now let me keep them turned on. Let's move back to the camera to see them, and here in the preview we have these lines. They are useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography or making experiments with composition at our picture. And of course remember that these lines are not visible at the real photo, so when I take a picture and when I go to the right to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, we can't see the grid lines at the real picture, so they are only to help us taking better photos. And of course when we don't need them, we have to move back to the left corner settings, tap to the grid button from the right to turn them off, and for now in the preview the grid lines have gone. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.